Hi guys, gardening scissors, also known as pruning shears or secateurs, are handheld gardening tools designed for cutting and trimming plants. They are used for a variety of tasks such as trimming back branches, deadheading flowers, and shaping shrubs. Gardening scissors come in a range of sizes and styles, from small handheld models to larger lopping shears for cutting thicker branches. They typically consist of two sharp blades that are joined together with a pivot and are operated by squeezing the handles together. There are also ratchet pruning shears that use a series of gears to make cutting easier on tougher branches. Using gardening scissors properly is important for maintaining the health of your plants. It's important to use the right size and type of scissors for the job, and to keep the blades sharp and clean. It's also important to make clean cuts to avoid damaging the plant and to avoid cutting too close to the stem or trunk. So, let's get started. Number 10. Fiskars Gardening Tools, Quality Garden Tools. Designed to help you cultivate a better garden, Fiskars garden and yard tools are equipped with smart technologies and award-winning, ergonomic features that make it easier and more enjoyable to transform your outdoor space. Maximum power and precision, micro-tip blades cut all the way to the tip for clean, healthy cuts in tight spaces and stay sharp through heavy use. Non-stick blade coating helps reduce jamming and resin buildup. Designed to reduce fatigue, awarded the Arthritis Foundation's Ease of Use SM commendation for a design that's ideal for those with arthritis or limited hand strength. Spring gently opens blades after each cut while soft grip enhances comfort and control, ideal for shaping, repetitive trimming and intricate snips. Works well for cutting and shaping flower stems, maintaining your herb garden, and more to encourage overall plant health and appearance. The next is Number 9. Lopping Garden Flower Scissors. This gardening scissors is here with the 13% price off. Now you can get it at around $8. Deal for flower pruning. The pruning diameter of this garden shears can reach 8 mm (0.32 inches). It can be used for flower arrangement, flower art, potted landscape, or some other garden work. Made of high carbon steel, high hardness and proper toughness, such scissors are very sharp, durable, and high wear resistance. Ergonomic handle. The handle adopted non-slip PP material, which is durable yet soft, portable, and lightweight. Special forefinger grip, easy to grasp, doesn't wear out your hand, and anti-skidding. Delicate appearance. The shear looks rather functional and stylish. Easy to clean. You can wipe off the leaves and sludge from the blades with a cloth dampened with a small amount of oil after each use, and apply some mechanical oil to the surface to keep it shiny and sharp. The next is Number 8. Pruning 3-Packs Trimming. Now you can get it at around $15. Make precise cuts. The trimming scissors are ideal for trimming, shaping, and other quick snips on small plants, rose bush, shrubs, and hedges. You can easily make precise cuts without damaging the vital stems and branches. Ergonomic design. Designed with ergonomic rubber grip, the scissors will make it easy to work for long periods of time without discomfort. Sharp Teflon blades. The scissors with Teflon coating maintain a razor-sharp, non-stick, clean edge for years of rust-free and consistent cuts. They come with high-grade sharp stainless steel straight blades for precision cutting, gardening, landscaping. Easy operation. There is no spring built in the scissors, which helps you promote work efficiency effectively. The design of these pruning shears are perfect to use whether you are right or left-handed with ease. The next is Number 7. 5-Pack Garden Pruning Shears Stainless Steel. This gardening scissors is here with the 19% price off. Now you can get it at around $17. Make pruning work easier. Rust-resistant stainless steel blade are sharp and durable for easy and smooth cut. Anti-slip and ergonomic handle make the gardener clippers more comfortable in your hand. Easy open spring action reduces hand fatigue while cutting. You can easily to cut without damaging the vital stems and branches of your plants. User-friendly safety lock. These garden shears have locking mechanisms to keep the sharp blades securely closed when not in use. It is easy to maneuver and can effectively reduce accidental injuries. Garden gloves. This gardening gloves, made of soft and comfortable cotton fabric, can protect yourself from dirt, skin wounds and nasty splinters when doing yard chores. The grip latex coating provides anti-slip or shear control when grabbing garden and yard tools. The next is Number 6. Titanium-plated coating Bonsai Scissors. This gardening scissors is here with the 38% price off. Now you can get it at around $8. Titanium coating blade is 3 times harder than steel, and more durable over traditional blades. golden blade looks well made, and allows them to cut cleanly through sticky plants. Ergonomically designed handles minimize hand strain and maximize comfort while pruning. Rubber grips keep them safely and securely seated in your hands, allowing you to make precise cuts. Castle Green's Bonsai shears snips come with stainless steel precision sharpened blades and are ready to tackle all of your deadheading, trimming, and shaping needs for your daily pruning and gardening. The next is Number 5, Pruning Shears, Hemoppled 8-inch Professional. Now you can get it at around $8. Ultra sharp blades, the sharp gardening blades made of professional stainless steel, wear resistant and ruin resistant. Can cut through 1 2-inch, 3 4, 1-inch diameter size branches, depending on the wood species. The solid rivet made this garden clippers stronger and more durable. Design, the handles of gardening shears designed with anti-slip curves, which make it more comfortable in your hand. Ergonomic design made the gardening clippers fit your hand comfortable, perfect for long cutting and trimming sessions. Say goodbye to arthritic pain. With lock, hemoppled gardening shears designed with a security lock on the bottom of the pruning shear. It keeps the sharp blades securely closed when not in use and effectively reduce accidental injuries. The next is Number 4, SCHLUCK's 1-pack Pruning Shears, 6.5 foot Gardening. This gardening scissors is here with the 60% price off. Now you can get it at around $4. Ultra sharp blades. Snips feature precision blades that cut all the way to the tip for clean, healthy cuts in tight spaces. Care, clean blades after each use. Make precise cuts. Easily get between plants to clip and snip only the area or part that you want to cut with one hand and without damaging the other stems. Make pruning work easier. The high-quality spring help you push the blades automatically, reduces hand fatigue while each cut. Ergonomic design rubber grip will make it easy to work for long periods of time without discomfort. Secure, easy to lock. These garden shears have locking mechanisms to keep the sharp blades securely closed when not in use. Is easy to maneuver. Widely used, perfect for harvesting or trimming herbs, flowers, houseplants, hydroponics, bonsai or other cutting needs in the garden, greenhouse. The next is Number 3, VISN 6.5-inch Gardening Scissors Hand. Now you can get it at around $7. Reduce hand strain. These micro-tip snips are built spring-loaded so that they automatically push themselves open without you having to do the work, which greatly reduces hand fatigue and makes these snips great for those with arthritis, carpal tunnel, hand or wrist issues. Comfortable grip handles will make it easy to work for long-time use without making you feel hand pain. Ultra-sharp blades. These quality snips come with stainless steel precision sharpened blades and are ready to tackle all of your deadheading, trimming, and shaping jobs for your roses, annuals, vegetable, bonsai, and small flower gardens. Secure, easy to lock. These micro-tip snips feature a safe and secure sideways locking mechanism that keeps your blades protected and closed when not in use. The design of these pruning snips are perfect to use whether you are right or left-handed with ease. The next is Number 2, Fiskars Gardening Tools, Bypass. This gardening scissors is here with the 33% price off. Now you can get it at around $14. Quality garden tools, designed to help you cultivate a better garden. Fiskars garden and yard tools are equipped with smart technologies and award-winning, ergonomic features that make it easier and more enjoyable to transform your outdoor space. Maximum power and precision, all steel blades stay sharp longer, rust-resistant, low-friction coating helps glide through wood, self-cleaning sap groove keeps blades from sticking, non-slip grip handle and easy open lock make control and storage easy. Ideal for a variety of pruning tasks, works well for trimming bonsai tree branches, cutting flower stems, maintaining your herb garden, and more to encourage overall plant health and appearance. The next is Number 1, 3-pack Garden Pruning Shears. This gardening scissors is here with the 51% price off. Now you can get it at around $17. Pruning work easier. Rust-resistant stainless steel blade are sharp and durable for easy and smooth cut. Anti-slip and ergonomic handle make the gardener clippers more comfortable in your hand. Easy open spring action reduces hand fatigue while cutting. You can easily to cut without damaging the vital stems and branches of your plants. Safety lock. These garden shears have locking mechanisms to keep the sharp blades securely closed when not in use. It is easy to maneuver and can effectively reduce accidental injuries. And the closing mechanism is firmly enough, you don't need to worry the plant pruning shears will get locked accidentally during use. Gloves for hand protection. One size fits most. This gardening gloves, made of soft and comfortable cotton fabric, can protect yourself from dirt, skin wounds and nasty splinters when doing yard chores. The grip latex coating provides anti-slip or sure control when grabbing garden and yard tools. So this is the best option for you to buy.